What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. So here is another tutorial on how we can design a later logo with a paper that we already made a sketch. So here, as you can see, we have this sketch. So this is a really cool L letter vector design. So we are going to design this inside the Adobe Illustrator. So here I'm going to select this image and click on the layers. So as you can see here, we have this layer. So we're going to double click at this layer, click this dim image to 50%. So now we are going to add a new layer, and we are going to use Ctrl plus to zoom in. And also do not forget, when you're going to design a logo, so make sure you select this CMYK, which is a print ready document. For RGB is used for on screen, but this MYK is going to be for logo design. So the first thing we are going to use is this pen tool. So we are going to sketch this. I think it's a curved line, so we're going to make a curved line here. By pressing Alt, we are going to select here, and we are going to make another point. So now let me remove the color from it. So now I'm going to increase the stroke, and also I'm going to select this around it. So we're going to increase this L as a round. So now we are going to use this pen tool to design these shapes. So now let me fill it with a color. So now we are going to make some copies out of this. We don't have to sketch all of this thing. So we're going to make a copy. And also you should fix the sizes when you try to so here what I will do with these shapes, also I'm going to increase the stroke for them. So we're going to select something like this red one. Let me use the eyedropper tool so we can change all of these as well. So now we are going to make some more copies, and also make sure when you're going to put this design, so you have to make the size as well. So I'm going to rotate this. Let me put this here for this shape. So now we're going to select everything that we have here. I think we used all this shape inside this image, so don't worry about that. So we're going to select everything. By press shift, we are going to unselect this. Okay, we are going to select all these shapes that we have here. So I'm going to use this shape builder tool. Now we are going to remove this part of the shapes that is useless. So also we are going to remove that. As you can see, we are done here. So what we are going to do is that let me select this image and I'm going to delete this image. But before we're going to delete this, let me see, I think we have to only select this image, so we're going to delete it. As you can see, for this shape right here we have to move, and also we're going to increase the stroke size for my L. So we're going to increase the stroke size here, and also let me select something like this blue color. I think these shapes need to be fixed here, so we are going to size this. What we are going to do with this is that going to click on here, and also we should change the color. So let me resize this as well, and also we are going to rotate this. So while you're going to sketch all of these, so make sure you're going to properly sketch, because if you not properly sketch anything, so then you have to do it here. So again, here as you can see, I'm going to select everything, select this smooth tool. So we're going to smooth this line, but we're not going to do that, because if we are going to smooth it, I think this looks good. I think we doesn't need to change it. The only thing that we are going to change is that we're going to select this, click on gradient. So we are going to select the color. Let me select something like this color, and we're going to select something, I think this color is going to be good. So we're going to apply it on all others that we have here. So let me select each one of these, and also what we are going to do is that we are going to change the stroke color, something like this black. Let me increase the stroke size. So this is a really cool logo for a toy shop. You can use this, for any kind of purpose that you want to. So here what we are going to do, we're going to select this gradients, and we're going to change the direction. So for this one as well, we're going to change the direction, something like this, and also for this one. I think still these edges that we have for these shapes require to be smooth, so we're going to use this smooth tool. And also we're going to select this one. So you should be careful when you're going to design it from the sketch. So make sure when you're going to do it, you don't require to use this smooth tool. As you can see, I need to smooth everything. We should make it on the first time, but no worries, you have to. But if you're going to design this kind of logo, make sure you do it when you're going to complete your sketch. So don't worry, we're going to. So now we have this last one, which I'm going to use this, and also we're going to change the color for this L as well. We're going to change it something like let's try something like this color. I think this color is going to be low, so we're going to switch it here. Let me remove this color. So now as you can see, now it looks good. And also we're going to decrease the size, and let me scale this a little bit. And also we're going to scale these shapes as well, or move them, because now I think it looks good, better than the sketch one. So we're going to select everything, right click, group it, and we're going to scale it, and we're going to put it on the center of the artboard. So you can see you can use this vector illustrator for different purpose. You can use it for a toy shop or entertainment, so you can use it for different things. So this is how we can design this illustrator with Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and you learn something, and if you think this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.